When it comes to AI, most of us think of it as this singular entity of technology that can pretty much do anything. However, the reality is quite the opposite. Artificial intelligence isn't just a single technology, but an extremely diverse field with different types of AI, each with its own capabilities and applications. In this video, we will explain 7 types of artificial intelligence and the way they impact our world. Number 1. Narrow AI. Also known as weak AI, but don't let the name fool you, this type of AI is incredibly powerful within its specialized domain. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, like recognizing faces, processing languages, or recommending movies. Think of Siri, Alexa, or the algorithms behind your Netflix suggestions. Narrow AI is great at what it does, but its range of abilities is very limited and it doesn't understand or function outside of its programming. This is the type of AI that is the most common today, and its uses include everything from virtual assistants to self-driving cars. Number 2. General AI. Also known as strong AI, this is the type of AI which you see in sci-fi movies and futuristic techno thrillers, the kind that can think, learn, and use the knowledge in any field, just like a human being. General AI doesn't just follow pre-programmed rules, it can adapt, reason, and make decisions in unfamiliar situations. However, despite what movies tell you, general AI is still just an idea. Even though it's the ultimate goal for scientists and engineers, we're still far from creating a machine that can match the human brain. Number 3. Super intelligent AI. This is a type of AI that surpasses human intelligence across the board. Imagine a machine that could solve problems, create art, or even make scientific discoveries and advances that are far beyond current human capabilities. Of course, super intelligent AI is still purely theoretical, but it is a concept that raises a lot of ethical and philosophical questions. If we ever manage to achieve this level of AI, it could transform our world in unimaginable ways or pose existential risks. This is why discussions around AI safety and ethics are so crucial. Number 4. Reactive machines. This is the most basic type of AI, capable only of reacting to specific inputs, without the memory or ability to learn from past experiences. Reactive machines operate in the here and now, making decisions based solely on the current situation. The most famous example of reactive machine is Deep Blue, IBM's chess-playing computer that defeated the world champion Garry Kasparov back in 1997. Deep Blue analyzed possible moves and chose the best one, but it didn't learn from past games. Number 5. Limited memory. Taking things one step further, we have limited memory AI. Unlike reactive machines, these systems can use past experiences to inform their decisions. This is the kind of AI that powers self-driving cars, which needs to learn from past data to make real-time decisions, like avoiding obstacles or predicting traffic patterns. Limited memory AI can improve over time, but it's still bound to its programming and the data it's trained on. Number 6. Theory of mind. Theory of mind AI is where things get even more interesting. This type of AI would be able to understand human emotions, beliefs, and intentions, process them, and then interpret them in a social context. While we're not there yet, researchers are working on AI that can recognize and respond to human emotions, which could revolutionize fields like customer service, therapy, and even entertainment. Number 7. Self-aware AI. Finally, we have the most advanced and hypothetical type, which is self-aware AI. This AI would have consciousness, self-awareness, and an understanding of its own existence. It would be able to think, feel, and perhaps even have a sense of morality. Kinda like Skynet begins to learn at a geometric rate. It becomes self-aware. In a panic, they try to pull the plug. Skynet fights back. And there you have it, 7 different types of AI, from the practical to the theoretical. What do you think about the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.